Okay, I'm gonna see if I can film this one-handed while I am adding the lye solution to the oil solution. So I'm gonna flip you guys around here. Hold on. Lye solution, it's just about 120 degrees, which is perfect. Here's the oil solution, which is probably about 120 degrees. You want them to be about the same. And now I'm going to carefully remove the thermometer from the lye solution so it doesn't fall and splash. Put that down. Pour the lye solution into the oil. Here we go. There we go. Set that back down. And then I bought one of these immersion blenders just for making soap. I need to plug it in. Hold on. Okay. It makes it go so much faster. You can almost see how cloudy that is? You can see it's already doing its thing. So there we go. And it smells like an Italian kitchen in here. The olive oil is definitely stronger. I only add about 8 ounces of coconut oil, and I have 32 ounces of olive oil. So 40 ounces of fat altogether. And then 12 ounces of water, almost 6 ounces of lye. And I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to get the lavender oil in there, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I add my scents after this stuff thickens up a little bit so that it doesn't cook off all the smell, because it's still pretty hot and the essential oils are a little more tender than olive oil and coconut oil. All right, hold on. Okay, so it will hold, you know, the drops and the shape, and it doesn't go away. So that's what I'm looking for. All right, so I'm going to pour it in the molds, and I just use milk cartons that have been cut in half and taped on one end to hold it together. I have this one silicone, which makes some nice shaped bars. And then this was my first batch of peppermint this morning, so the kitchen smells like lavender and peppermint right now. And I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, I'm going to pour the hot liquid soap into these molds here. And I just let it flow over, and then I'll smooth it out with a spatula. And then I will put the rest in the milk carton here. And I've just used 2 hands here. Scrape it down. It's pretty hot. And I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, so now I'm just smoothing the soap, the liquid soap, into the molds, and then I'll let all of this sit for, I don't know, a couple of days. Check on them. When they're firmed up, I'll turn them out. Then they have to cure, and then we can use them in a few weeks. Okay, talk later. Here's the latest pictures of the final product. The ones I did about 2 hours ago, I think. They're actually getting pretty firm now, and they've lightened up in color compared to this one, which is still like pudding and needs to be smoothed over just a little bit. And then when they are ready to be turned out, I will use this little gizmo that I purchased just to cut the bars. And it's got a serrated edge, and it will just slice right through when it's soft, but not, it'll be like clay. And then I'll let them cure, and we'll have soap for weeks.